Right, so hello everyone. This is Carspective UK, and welcome to our very first video. Well, technically a test video, but I'm going to put this up on the channel anyway, so I can track my progression for however long I decide to do this for. So I'm using the Dji Osmo Action 4 with a hat clip at the minute. I've also got the DJI Mic 2, but I'm not using that yet. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just trying to get the angle correct so it's not showing too much roof lining or too much of the ground. So like a happy, healthy medium. So I'm using settings that I've been playing around with, and this is my first actual shoot. Right, so on this channel, what you'll find is POV clips, POV videos, sorry, and two different types of videos essentially. So some will be me driving nice and quietly. I'm only talking a lot just because it's the first testing video. Again, all feedback is appreciated. So yeah, the first style of video will be this kind of stuff, driving from point A to point B, maybe with some dual carriageway footage. And then the second style of video will be more spirited, and what we'll have then is the DJI Mic 2's hooked up. So I managed to get one with dual mics and a receiver, I believe it's called. And then from that, what we'll do is we'll put one microphone towards the exhaust area and one microphone in the intake. When it comes to more exciting vehicles, this being naturally aspirated, you know, we want to put it on turbocharged vehicles. And yeah, so we'll have two different types of videos. And the main reason for doing this channel was, well, I wanted to capture how my car sounds, and when you do it off the phone, you tend to get a lot of wind noise, even if you put especially when you put the window down and you want to hear some exhaust and stuff, because I've done a few things to this car. And I'm just going to carry on talking because everyone's looking at me. It's quite unusual, but yeah, I definitely need a few things for this setup. I'm going to look into getting a foam surround, as resting on your nose bridge is a bit uncomfortable. But again, this is something I need to get used to. The peripheral vision, again, and turning left to right, I want to do it as slowly and cinematic as possible because I don't want to give you guys motion sickness. So keep thinking that's enough. There we go. So the car today, the car is a Honda Civic. It's a 1.4 I-Vtec, and it's 17 years old, would you believe? Which is it's quite something. And I need it as use it as my workhorse, as I do a hell of a lot of miles. And this is something that will just won't let me down, really. So I've kind of fallen in love with it and in love with Honda as a whole. And yeah, it's just something I want to keep using until, you know, till the wheels fall off. It's currently sitting at 128,000 miles. I want to see if I can try and push it to 200,000 miles, if not more. Yes, let's keep this going. So yeah, we recently had 50 mile an hour limit a bit further ahead. I'm going to turn this down, it's extremely warm. And yeah, down from 70 mile an hour to 50 mile an hour. Being a local, you do tend to feel it. Again, all feedback and every feedback is mostly appreciated. If you don't want me to talk as much or to talk at all, perfectly fine. Just chuck it in the comments and then I'll accommodate for it. Most of the videos I have been seeing, they are ASMR style. No one's really talking, or, you know, not talking at all, to be honest with you.